cooking today?
Chicken of the wood. Mushroom.
Mushroom. Oh, the one we picked up.
But high. It was at medium.
The one we picked up from Bowling Green.
So here, microwave. So before we go, we unplug one of them. When we unplug them, put the refrigerator.
I can run all four on.
Yeah, split.
The splitter.
But
My junction one.
It's not like when we go, the refrigerator need to run, but it's not like I'm cooking when we go. I can cook in the car, but not stir fry. So you can boil water or cook rice in the outlet inside the car.
So here's our new arrangement. The microwave's here, the pantry's the good, the 2 clear box, and the blue, and another closet, closed closet, and our refrigerator is right here. We'll check back later.
Sugar. Okay, watch. Yeah.
Flip.
Soy sauce.
Let's zoom in and see what it looks like. It looks like from a distance, looks like a hot dog color.
Can you smell the soy sauce?
Yes. Get people lined up. Want to try some here. Oh yeah, speaking of that, this part is primitive. You can see here.
Woodridge primitive camping, and it's free.
It's free. So we got a white car, orange car, white car, red car,
Pit
gray
toilet.
car. 7 more cars. There's a car behind us. There's the toiletry and a car over there. And we're cooking. It seems like there's a circle around here. Back to our cooking. So when do you know it's done?
It's done. It just needs to soak in the soy sauce.
What is the secret spice?
I didn't even crush the.
Oh, we can do fried rice, honey.
Fry that?
I don't know.
I want to taste this separately. You're supposed to eat a little bit for the first time, in case your body don't want it.
I'll go after you.
It's supposed to taste like chicken fingers.
Oh.
According to Tida, who gave me these. I have a little bit more. I didn't want to overload my
skillet.
Frying pan here. It's too small.
Well, how's your first bite of the chicken of the wood?
It's softer than chicken fingers. So it's I can't say it tastes like fish. Well, I can't say it tastes like scallop, but the texture is similar to scallop. So scallop is much more expensive. But since you can't buy these, I'm not sure.
I thought you can find them.
I don't see it at the store unless I think you go to a farmer's market or something. I don't see it in your normal grocery store like Walmart or Kroger or Winn-Dixie. I have never seen them. Welcome to Woodridge Park. This is the campground. It's primitive, limited amenities. There's only pit toilets, no water, no electric, but it is absolutely free. Here are park rules. Parking only on the roadways, so no parking on the grass. And only tent camping on the site where they put gravel for your tent. Some sites have firing and picnic table. Some don't have picnic table, only firing, one firing each. And there's some parking. It's beautifully shaded, except there's not many parking spots shaded. But the tent spots are shaded. And they kept it pretty good for a park that has nobody watching. And it's surprisingly a little bit more people than I expected. But like this person just pull in and sleep in his car. Car's running. Some people are grilling something back there. We are tailgating.
Ông tập đi lội đi hay.
Ông lội.
Đó sạch mơn.
អត់មានរុយផងបក់អី
Tức là
ឲ្យតែថាលក់អីគឺបក់ ផ្សិតសាច់មន់អេផ្សិតសាច់មន់មិនដែលលឺ
Con đừng chơi.
សាច់
Chicken of the woods.
chicken of the wood សាច់មន់ចេញពីឈើហ៎
Nhưng này
សាច់មន់ចេញពីដើមឈើ
sạch
បានភ្លក់នៅ
tuần. Rồi sạch mơn tí tí. Cái này
ឆ្ងាញ់ជាងសាច់មន់
anh tuần.
ខ្ញុំភ្លក់ហើយហើយមិញប៉ុន្តែកាត់រួយហើយចំអិនវាឲ្យឆ្អិនសិនបានឆាព្រោះអីធីតាមិត្តភក្តិខ្ញុំឲ្យថាចំអិនវា thoroughly មកពីវា wild mushroom ពីព្រៃអត់មែនគេចិញ្ចឹមទេអត់មែនគេដាំទេអញ្ចឹងដាក់ microwave ឡើង3មីនិតឆ្អិនទៅបានដាក់លីងវា Missouri River
State line. Without Iowa.
state line
And right at the river. And there's your sign. Welcome to Iowa. You just need another E. I-A-I-O-U.
Now your destination is on the right.